Hi guys and welcome. Today I'm showing you a recent purchase. This is the NY0040-17LE. This is the blue dialed version. Now I got this on the used market, of course. As you can see, the dial has a circular scratch. The bezel insert is quite beat up, and if you look closely, the crystal is somewhat misaligned. It is deeper on this side than on this side, but overall it's considerably deeper set than is usual. The top of the crystal is supposed to align with the edge of the bezel. So I ordered a replacement crystal for this one. Unfortunately, bezel inserts and chapter rings are not readily available online. What is readily available though are aftermarket straps, such as this one. This is a Nato strap, matching blue color. I'm gonna replace the strap of this thing because this one is also an aftermarket rubber strap, but it's quite beat up and I don't like it because it's quite sticky. And with that, I purchased fat spring bars. These were meant for a Seiko diver. Figured it would be more sturdy to have fat spring bars than the regular spring bars that this strap came with. So let's open the package for our Nato strap. Oh, by the way, I purchased this online as well. So there it is. It's blue with a solid pin and buckle. So when you buy the straps, they come with a spring bar tool and extra spring bars, but we won't be using these tiny flimsy spring bars. We'll be using these large ones. So first we'll remove the strap. So these spring bars are quite large as well, but still they're not as large as the Seiko spring bars. Let's put on the fat spring bars. A Promaster diver with Seiko spring bars. Great, so there's no removing those. And besides, these spring bars are not flanged, so it will be difficult to remove these things. But since I plan on using Nato straps for all of my Promasters, I guess that's a compromise I'm willing to take. So let's open up our Nato strap. Take it out of the packaging. Here we are, a beautiful blue Nato strap. So let's put the watch in. Now with these NATO straps, the watch will effectively become thicker looking at least on the wrist. But these NATO straps are easy to replace and they're quite durable, as you can see with the pin and buckle of this thing. This has a nice pin and buckle. So I'll try it on my wrist. So there's the watch on my 6 1/4 inch wrist. So my blue Promaster on a blue NATO, spring bars replaced with a Seiko fat unflanged or non-flanged spring bars. Next up, I will also replace the NATO strap for this one. As you can see, the spring bars of this watch have also been replaced with the 20mm Seiko diver spring bars, which are a little bit bigger and I would say more sturdy than the spring bars that came with this Promaster. Now for this one, I would have wanted one with a gold buckle, but I didn't find any online. What I did find, however, were all black NATO strap with silver hardware. It would have been nice if the hardware was or were gold anodized as well, but this is what was available. So here we are, an all black NATO strap. With silver hardware. There is one with an all black hardware as well, but I think it looks okay with the silver. In any case, black goes with everything. So I got this so that all of my Promaster divers would all be on a NATO. I can even swap the NATO straps around should I feel the need to. The NY0040-17LE now on its own blue NATO. So let's get these things aside first. Alright, so there you have it. Two of my Citizen Promaster divers. This one is the NY0045 and this one is the NY0040-17LE. Right, so if you liked this video and enjoyed it, I hope you would hit the like button, comment if you have anything to say about these watches or any of my watches I feature in this channel, and please share this video as well. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and once again, enjoy.